Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to write 一把手 in Chinese characters. Now, let's write. 一把手 means top leader. Number 1. For example, she is the head of our department. 她是我们部门的一把手。She is the head of our department.她是我们部门department 的一把手 top leader. She's the head of our department. 她是我们部门的一把手。一把手 top leader. Number 1. She is the head of our department. 她是我们部门的一把手。Okay, that's all for today. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.